What is the local keyword in SEO? A local keyword in SEO is a specific keyword or key phrases that includes geographic terms to target a local audience. These keywords are used to optimize a website's content, meta tags, and other on-page elements for local search visibility. Local keywords are essentials for businesses that want to attract nearby customers or clients, and they help search engines understand the geographic relevance of a web page and also improving the chances of it appearing in local search results. Example of local keywords might include shoutout coffee shop, New York dentist, plumbing in Los Angeles, best pizza restaurant near me, lawn care services in Chicago. Local keywords are typically used by businesses with physical locations such as brick-and-mortar stores, restaurants, medical practices, and service providers serve a specific geographic area. They play a crucial role in local SEO and help businesses connect with local customers who are searching for products or services in their vicinity.